lovelies, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to church. It is a Sunday. I'm ready. This is my fit for the day. You can't really see me because that mirror is very dirty, but anyway, this is what I'm wearing. My bag is from Tide Locker, you guys. It's such a beautiful bag. Honestly, I give it up to Tide Locker. They did an amazing job with the packaging. The box came unscratched. It came really early. The delivery was really fast as well. It came with the original certificate as well as a certificate of authenticity. The bag came with a dust bag, and it came with this really cute purse here and a long strap. I absolutely love this bag. It's so cute. It's one of those bags you carry when you don't have so much to carry. It just fits into different scenarios. You can even choose to wear the purse on the long strap as well. It's very versatile. I love the fact that you can also transform the bag into different shapes. You can make it even smaller and make it even look more cute. It also has the strap at the back as well. I really love the bag. This comes with a discount code for my subscribers. If you guys are looking to get this bag, I'll highly suggest that you click in the link in the description box. This is what it looks like. Really cute bag. It takes my Bible, my notebook, hand cream, hair pods, a little chocolate for the boys. You guys, I will see you when we get back. I'm about to go to church. It's not shift all the time. Go to church and pray.
A few inches later.
You guys, we're back from church and look at that time. But I feel like eating Ofada rice. There are a couple of things that are making me not want to make this food again, but I'm hungry and I have to eat what I want, what I like. That's it. Alright, so I'm just going to take off my clothes in a few bits, but I have to put a couple of things on the fire first. So I have my Ofada rice here. I'm just going to give it a good wash, and then I'm going to go ahead and put that in my rice cooker. Anytime I make Ofada, I cook it like beans. I never make a small quantity of Ofada. I always make it in large quantity. Wash. So on our way back from church, we stopped by at the store. We stopped by QD. We wanted to get our body wash. By the way, at this rate, I think I'm going to be making our own body wash ourselves. I'm looking for how to make my own black soap. I want to start making our own African soap. I already make our body cream and our hair cream. Well, it's one and the same thing, but I just want to make our own body wash now because I don't understand all this soap that we're buying. That I don't really understand what it's doing. The stress to find the one that we always use, I couldn't find it, so I had to get this one. And this one it just smells like chemical. I really don't like the smell, so I'm just going to go on Amazon and order myself a couple of things. I also have to get a few things from Shein as well. I have my panla here. This is dry panla, so I need to order a few things from Shein, like the soap mold, just so that I have, you know, it comes out in a bar, like a soap bar. I need to wash this and put it in my pressure pot here. Then I'm going to take off my clothes and come back. My neighbor. The amount of compliments I got for this my boo-boo. It's Thanksgiving service today, by the way. The amount of compliments I got. The one that shocked me the most was one compliment I got from this pregnant lady. I mean, she's not really showing yet, but she just confided in me to let me know that she would like to order herself some boo-boos like this for him, like when she starts to show. And I felt like, you can't take me worthy to tell me that and let me know. That was sweet. I like privileged information like that. Honestly, it was actually quite refreshing to hear that, you know, someone wanted to know where I got this clothes from. Anyway, as I was cooking, I got a delivery from Amazon, and this was something that I'm definitely going to unbox with you later in the video. I've gone ahead to season my mala fish, and I'm just putting my rice here with some salt and some oil. I'm adding some water, putting that on the setting for brown rice because it takes longer to cook. I'm also adding some onions to the fish and the rice and then I'm going to go ahead and change my clothes. Well, before I do that, I have to season this chicken and put that in the air fryer. As usual, I'm using all my seasonings as I've used before. I've not added anything new to my seasoning pile or stock. I'm just seasoning that appropriately and giving it a good shake, and then I'm just going to transfer all of that into the air fryer while I go upstairs to change into my day clothes. The Amazon package that came earlier is actually mine. I thought it was my husband's, and I ordered psyllium husk. This psyllium husk, if you belong in the kettle family, you already know what this is for. And what this does is to thicken food and to fill you up for longer. I also got 2 crates of egg today when we're coming from church, so yeah, that's also going to help with my diet as well, because I'm going on an egg diet as well. So we'll see how it goes. So I believe it was in my last vlog that I told you guys that I'm going back on my diet, and I've actually started working out again. Strength and Power has finally arrived to start working out, and so I've ordered this psyllium husk just to help with that process as well, because I'm looking to change my diet entirely. I'm making this Ofada sauce in a slightly different way. That's why you're saying mushroom. You're not saying wrong. I'm going to add this mushroom to the Ofada sauce. I'm just going ahead to start with my base of palm oil, crayfish and onions. I've also added some locust beans, and I'm going to go in with my pepper mix. This is what I really love about this Ofada sauce, is the fact that it is not blended fine. It's just really crushed pepper, and I'm just going to season that and let that keep frying and just reduce. At this time, my fish is soft enough to be added to the pot. I'm just going to add that with a little stock, and then I'm just going to let that continue frying and reduce. And once it has gotten to the texture or has reduced to the right amount that I want, I'm going to go ahead and add my mushroom, and this just adds an amazing layer of flavor to it. Honestly, this mushroom, I'm definitely going to keep adding mushroom to my soup. My children won't eat it anyhow. They didn't even know that there was mushroom in it. My husband didn't even know there was mushroom in it, but it was just an added bonus to it. I've gone ahead to add my chicken and my eggs to it. Honestly, this sauce was just missing pomo and maybe snail. I felt like this sauce was a banger on its own. This thing lasted for about 2-3 days, the sauce I mean. But yeah, this was what I ate. This is the amount of rice that I now eat. The next day was a school day, and I was just rushing to get the boys out of the house because it was a hassle. I wasn't even bothered about camera angles and all of that. My son was taking chips, my husband was taking potatoes, and yeah, this was just me frying up some eggs. And you know, I don't know if I've told you, but I'm sure I've mentioned it before that I've switched to the canned tomatoes because fresh tomatoes are not smiling in the market, so I'm also not smiling. So I've switched to the canned tomatoes. I get a pack of 12 for about £5, and that usually lasts for the month. You guys, I just hush got the boys out of the house.
A few inches later.
So if you are new here, you're welcome. We keep it real. We keep it real. We keep it real. Alright, so my name is Tola. If you're new here, you can call, everybody calls me Tola. You are welcome to our channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click on the notification bell button. It's been a while since I've done this whole shebang. In fact, I was just reminded recently of my intro when I first started YouTube. That was almost 6 years ago. I used to sing one song. Yes, Ain't tell me about when you share. I don't know if I should bring that song back, because he used to give me one ginger to finish the vlog. Even if it was a sit-down video, like that was how I used to do my intros. Like, ain't tell me about when you share. It's a fudgy kind of song. It's a vibe. That song is a vibe. Everywhere you go, every party, almost every party, that's how they sing that song, and it's a banger every time. The sun is out today. I straightened out this backyard the other day because the boys' soccer things were everywhere, like it was everywhere. And I also need to clean these glass doors. I need to clean these doors because there are fingers everywhere, but the one that is doing me more is this. You see this UK and spreading clothes inside the house is 5 and 6. The one that is doing me more is this mirror. This mirror right here. this mirror, this nasty mirror. The way my children have put hand, oh, and the dust that have settled on this mirror. It's actually not here. But we move. I should put this one outside. Besides, the clothes on here itself have dried. I should pack them. I'll pack them. It's just 8:44. And I feel like going back to sleep, but I will not sleep. I cannot sleep. As a matter of fact, I have a scheduled sit-down video today with a very important person now. Just coming to talk to you about what's it called? Jobs in the UK, like jobs to look out for, like trending jobs that are not minimum wage, things that most people overlook. Most people overlook it, and you know, she's been here for years. She has businesses. She's a coach. She's an expert in the field. Anyway, you guys, I will catch up with you in the course of the vlog. Let me sort out some emails and then we're gonna see. Oh, by the way, it's the election day. Google just reminded me. It's election day. Actually, my son reminded me this morning, but I kind of blocked it out of my mind. It's election day. Who are we voting for? My son has a strong opinion. My 8-year-old has a strong opinion already about who we should vote for. These children, I don't understand. When I was 8 years old, what do I know about politics? I didn't even, it was not something I was talking about. Maybe because I'm a girl, or maybe because I was a girl. But it wasn't something that I lent my opinion to, or I even paid much attention to at that age. But he's very strong opinionated. He has a really strong opinion about this politics and who should be re-elected or who should be elected. It's a whole thing, almost a back and forth between him and my husband this morning. Who are we voting for? Because I'm sure that you must have voted by the time this video is up. But who did you vote for? Who are you voting for? Who do you plan to vote for? I just hope that the right thing is done. But you know, the way politics is, it is.
A few moments later.
I just had my bath now and I washed my hair as well. I'm at the stage where I think what I want to do now is just to lock my hair because I can't decide what I want to do with it. But I don't want to cut my hair. I'm just really confused about what I want to do with the hair really. You guys, I ordered from TikTok shop for the first time and I'm going to be giving you my honest review. This is the thing. I think that's already been opened by Royal Mail. I don't know why they do that to my packages. I don't know. They constantly open my packages and then reseal them back. And they did something with a particular brand that I was supposed to work with. They left out an item. Meanwhile, this brand already sent me a message to say that they sent me 2 items, but I only got 1. And this is how my package always comes. Because I can't show you the other side because of my information on it and everything. But it always comes tampered with like this. And I don't like it. I don't know. I don't know what else to think. But I feel like I need to say something to somebody, but I don't know who to talk to about it. Does this thing happen to any other person? Anyway, I've opened it and I ordered this viral shapewear. And I don't know if it's going to do what I want. I ordered it in the size large. By the way, I use a UK XL. This is what it looks like. I don't know because I need something to hold my tummy in, and if this is going to be able to help with that, it doesn't feel like it's going to do that magic that people have been shouting about on TikTok. The fabric is good, feels strong enough for we're gonna see. I got 2 more things. I ordered 3 items in total. So I got this cutlery set. It's a gold cutlery set. I've been meaning to change our cutlery for a while now. So I saw this one and I think, well, everything I bought here is £7. It was ridiculously cheap, and that's probably because it was my first time shopping on TikTok shop. So I've been meaning to change our cutlery set for a while now. This is what this one looks like. It looks bougie and all of that, but I didn't know about the quality. I don't know if it's going to change color after 2 times, you know, because you know what they say with butter wolf. I will be wrong belly. So I don't know. This is all the teaspoon now. So it's 4 in a set. So 4 forks, 4 spoons, 4 knives, 4 teaspoons. Okay, I'm not mad at it. This is what it looks like. It's really shiny right now, but it's time that it's gonna tell. It's time that will tell. So yeah, this is what it looks like. The spoon is actually quite sizable. I'm sure my children will not want to eat with the old spoons anymore. But we're gonna see, aren't we? Oh, this is really nice. It looks very nice. It's the color and how the color is going to last. That's my own thing with it now. But anyway, you guys, I will let you guys know how it does with time. Yeah, the knives are quite sharp. The knives are quite sharp. Anyway, the last thing I got is this tripod. I saw this tripod on Ginika's channel, and I have someone in mind for it. So I'm going to be contacting her this week. So it comes with a manual as well. This is a tripod that you can literally carry anywhere with you. It closes up like this. It has a detachable shutter that is, you can connect this to your phone. I don't know if it comes with a battery. I have to take the battery out to see. Oh, there's a battery in it already. So I'm going to connect this to my phone and see how it does. It opens up like that, and apparently it can extend to about how many meters? 183 meters. So the other item I have here to unbox with you guys is something I got from a brand I worked with in the past. I'm guessing that I'm now on their PR list because I was contacted to pick out some items, and it came in this box. So this is for my Fit Farm people. You guys remember Purition? We did a collaboration about a month ago. So they have new products that they release from time to time, and they have frappers. So those of you who are into McDonald's, you like to take their frappers, like their strawberry frapper and all of that. They have a couple of products now available. I picked out 3. They had 4 options, but I only picked 3. I didn't like the last flavor. So this is the hazelnut and chocolate one, and this is pistachio and supernut frapper, and this is the walnut supernut. This is the walnut supernut frapper. The one I didn't pick was the macadamia one. I don't like the taste of macadamia nuts. I feel like it doesn't agree with me. The taste doesn't agree with me. Anyway, you're supposed to add 14 grams of this into 200 milliliters of your favorite milk and blend. So it's supposed to come out looking like a frapper. Anyway, I just had to get up and just start cooking because I realized I was almost 3:30 and I hadn't eaten all day. I'm kind of getting used to this diet, but anyway, this is what I'm having. I've been having only 1 meal per day, and I've been having mostly vegetables. So today I'm having broccoli, eggs, and that bean sauce. I'm also going to take my supplements, and that counts as a meal as well in my head. Anyway, this is a bean sauce that I made in the morning. I made that for my husband, and it was really nice. I think this is one of my favorite Fit Farm meals, and it tastes really good. It's so filling. I had that with a dash of my children's Rabina because water is a bit bland tasting in my mouth. This is so good. I've just unlocked this one now, and the funny thing is my children will eat this. These forks, they're really good quality. Anyway, that's our time here on the channel today. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.